Guys, welcome everyone. All right, so this is our Wednesday sessions, and we'll try to see a Bitcoin and gold once more, right? What's happening with the Bitcoin and gold, right? Okay, so hope everyone's doing good, guys. Welcome everyone. Hi, hello. All right, we'll try to wait for a few minutes, and uh, we'll try to start. All right. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hi, hello. All right. So just few minutes. We'll try to wait for a few minutes, then we'll start. Okay, guys. Hope you guys are doing good, guys. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. This is Wednesday session, and we'll try to see a Bitcoin and gold as usual, right? Okay. We'll try to wait for 1 minute and we'll go. All right. Okay. So let's try to wait for a few minutes, right? Then we'll try to go. Hey, Gujarati bhai, comedy. Welcome, bro. Welcome. Good to see you, right, guys? Welcome, everyone. So recently I have uploaded a good video for you all as well, right? Those who are interested to learn about crypto things. So on upcoming days, right, I'll try to upload more if you guys like it, right? If you guys are really interested in learning, right? Okay, I'll keep uploading few videos, right? So that it will be useful for you all, right, guys? Okay. So just a few minutes, 1 minute, then we'll try to start. All right. Okay. Hi guys, welcome everyone, welcome. Just few minutes, then 1 minute, right? Let's wait 1 minute, then we'll try to start. All right. We'll wait for 1 minute, okay? Then we'll start, guys. All right. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. We'll go with the scalping again, right? Good afternoon. Hi. Shubhadeep. Shubhadeep. Hi. Welcome, bro. Welcome. All right. Just again. All right. Then we'll start. Just again. Wait for a few minutes. We'll try to wait for a few minutes. Then we shall start. All right. La 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 la. All right, let's go, guys. So, welcome everyone. Okay, so hope you guys are doing good. All right, so most probably we'll try to see a Bitcoin and gold today as well as usual, right? Okay, so every day we have been checking on Bitcoin and gold, right? Okay, so most probably we'll try to scalp one more time, right? Okay, so overall on a bigger time frame, what do we see, guys? All right, on a bigger time frame, we can see that the market have try to come down a little bit, given a pullback towards the downside, right? Okay, and we are waiting for the next level move, right? Whether the market is going to give you all the, now from here market has a good chances of going back to these levels as well, right? Or market has a good chances of moving towards the downside. If it happens to move towards downside, the maximum levels that we can catch, for firstly we'll try to see for the bigger time frame, okay? So maximum level for today, right, we can catch is $65,376, right? And if it happens to move on upper side, maximum level we can expect around $66,447 on upper sides, okay? On a bigger time frame, 15 minutes time frame, guys. All right, for the smaller time frame, we'll try to see what the market does it, right? Okay, so for the smaller time frame, we can see that the market have been crashing towards the downside, right? So most probably we'll try to aim for the one more move towards the downside from this levels, whereby we are aiming towards the downside move. All right, okay. For the upper side move, most probably after New York sessions, you might like to get it, right? So for the downside move, most probably from this levels, right? Okay, I mean like upper side move after the New York sessions. If you happen to get, you might like to trace this one on upper side, okay, on a Bitcoin, right? Okay, so firstly, we might like to see this one. Firstly, we might like to see the Bitcoin going down towards the downside, and later on coming on a New York sessions and upper side and trying to go again one more time later on after the New York sessions towards the downside, right? So you might like to see something like this, right? Okay, so most probably we'll be expecting something like this for the today's sessions, but this is not a financial advice though, right, guys? Okay, you should know that one, right? Devendra Lion, hi, welcome, bro, welcome. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, all right? So that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right? Okay. All right, guys, so today's view, we'll try to see first a small pullback on a downside. On later on, we might like to see the price moving all the way and touching up these points and upper side, maybe maximum levels, this one, right? Okay, so after the New York sessions, firstly, before the New York session, we might like to go towards the downside for 1 to 2 hours, right? So it is going to play around in the zone, right? So let's try to go for the smaller time frame right now. All right, so in this so what I have given you all, so recently, right, in my video, right? Okay, so I have tried to make one video whereby I have explained you all about the breakouts as well, right? You are trying to plan an upper side or downside, right? Okay, so most probably you need to check on the levels, whereby you need to have three levels of confirmations, right? If you have checked my video, you will know what I'm actually trying to say it. All right, okay. If you are not able to not if you didn't see my video, then it's up to you all, right? Okay, but most probably in this levels as well. So again, we can see a small market is trying to play inside this one for a while, right? Okay, guys, so this is what we have seen in this levels, right? Okay, market is trying to play inside this one for a while, and right now it is at retesting all this levels, right? Okay, so it have been retesting, right? So we have a move on upper side as well as downside, right? Okay, so we'll try to scalp, right? So we have an opportunity to move towards the downside as well, whereby Bitcoin can be going towards $65,000, right? Okay, so let's get in now, right? So firstly, let's try to see a 5 minutes time frame, right? What's happening with the 5 minutes time frame, right? Okay, so 5 minutes time frame, again we see the small drop down towards the downside, right? Okay, so when we can open a long positions, right? Positions once it happens cleared, right? If it happens to clear on upper side, we can start with the one long positions on upper side from this levels on upper side, right? Okay, but in fact, if it happens to get a rejection from this levels, right? Okay, we'll try to again go for the one short moves towards the downside from this levels, right? So you observe whether the market happens to break out on upper side or not. If it breaks out, we are approaching towards $66,000, right? But if it is not breaking out on upper side, then we will see again one more down towards the downside, right? Okay, so let's count, right? If you have watched my video, you will know what exactly what I mean to say in this levels. All right, so these levels, right, market have tried to break out towards the downside, that is number one, right? So three level of confirmations, right? Okay, market have tried to break out towards the downside, and market got a rejections from the top, right? Okay, number two, it got a rejection from the top, but this levels, it have given you all the move directly from this levels, right, towards the move down, right? Okay, but it couldn't go give you all the way towards the downside. This is what we have seen in this levels, right? Okay, so for the 5 minutes time frame, okay, guys, this is what we have seen it, right? So you observe whether the market happens to break out on upper side or not, right? Okay, So let's try to get an immediate scalping in these levels, right? Okay. If it is not able to break out on upper side, then we might like to see again price moving on a downside only. All right, guys. Okay. So for the downside move, you will be waiting for the short, right, below this levels, right? Okay. So if it happens to break you down, right, you'll get a short below this levels one more time, not able to break out on upper side, right? Okay. And you will be targeting towards the downside only, right? Firstly, let's try to target this levels only, right? For the scalpings, firstly, we'll try to take a small scalping towards the downside, right? Not very big, you have very small scalping in this levels firstly, right? According to the market conditions that you have in this levels, right? Okay, you have a very small scalping in this levels in the 1 minute time frame right now. Okay, guys, so you have the scalping only till this levels right now. Only 0.1 percentage move is there, right, for this levels right now. Okay, guys, firstly we'll try to trace this one, then only we'll try to see whether the market is giving you breakouts on upper side or not, right? Okay, so let's wait, right, guys? Let's have our patience, right? There is a very small scalping for now on the market. Okay, Devendra Lion, welcome, guys. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button. Once more with the dragon, right? Okay, so Wednesday, this is Wednesday, right, guys? This is Wednesday, all right? So we can take a small scalping, but this is very minor, right, guys? For now, it is very minor, all right? What I mean to say by the minor is like market have very small move on the downside, right? Right now, if you're planning towards the downside, all right? Very small scalping, right? 0.1 percentage only you have in this levels for now. Okay, hi BTC, yeah, comedy, this is on BTC. Okay, so you have very small move on a downside right now. All right, we'll try to see one more time, right? On the 1 minute time frame, we can see that the market have tried to break you towards the downside, right? All right, I mean like breakout on upper side. All right, this is retesting it, so you are tracing this retest phase towards the downside right now. All right, small scalpings, right? Okay, you have very small minor moves over here, not very big. All right, so you're watching in this levels very carefully, right? So market have tried to give you the breakouts towards the downside. All right, one more time, we need to go up on upper side, okay? Whereby you will be proving whether the market is trying to give you the breakouts on upper side or not, right? For the bigger moves, we need to wait from the top, right? Okay, guys. Welcome, guys. Sure, this is very minor trade right now, but in fact, I have a very big short positions from the top, all the way from the top. But if you are opening it, right, this is very minor one. All right, okay, right now. Then after this one, we'll try to study what the market is going to do it, right? Okay, if it happens to hold down, right, below this levels, right, then we can continue towards the downside. Otherwise, we get back one more time in upper side, right, guys? Okay. So we can see that market have on a 1 minute time frame, we can see that market have broken out on upper side, right? So most probably on a 1 minute time frame, we might like to see market trying to push you on the this levels right now. You are in the small retest phase, right? Okay, guys, you are in the small retest phase right now currently. Okay, so you have a bigger liquidations on a downside as well. All right, on a 1 minute time frame, this is what we can see it, right? Where this is very minor one, guys. All right, very minor scalping that we can take it right now immediately if you are waiting for the scalpings, right? Very minor one. So after this one only, we'll observe whether the market happens to break to you towards the downside, or it will try one more time on upper side. All right, so moreover in the retest phase might like to play something like this, right? Again, trying to go on upper side and try to come down again, right? Okay, something like this we can expect in the retest phase. Right now you are in the retest phase. Okay, guys, for now Bitcoin is staying in the retest phase. All right. We'll try to take scalpings, don't worry. All right, guys. Don't worry at all. 5 minutes time frame, trying to give you the small breakout towards the downside. All right, went up. All right, one more time, market happens to needs to push on upper side. We'll decide whether we are moving on upper side or downside. All right, from this levels. Market has given this move right now. Market is creating a bigger levels in this levels, right? Okay, market have tried to break out on a downside. It have got a rejection from the top. You're waiting market happens to clear from this levels or not. If it clears, that's well and good. Otherwise, you are going back one more time on upper side. and then it will be decided whether the market is trying to push you on upper side or not, right? So number one, for now, it's becoming something like this, right? Okay, it have given a minor move over there. Okay, guys, so far so cool on a 5 minutes time frame. All right, so most probably, right, those who are waiting for the big longs, I guess most probably market might like to give a liquidations from here. All right, if it happens to directly give you on the downside, that's well and good. We are waiting for one short positions again one more time towards the downside from these levels, right? Okay, one bigger short positions will try to wait from this levels towards the downside. All right, okay guys, from this levels towards the downside. Okay, we'll try to wait after the confirmations of the retest, right? Okay, we'll try to wait for the downside move whereby the market might like to take out the liquidations from here in the head and shoulder patterns, right? Okay, so it might be below this levels, right? Okay guys, below this levels, right? Otherwise, if it happens to get reduction from here one more time on upper side, right, and then only it will be decided whether the market is trying to break you out on upper side or downside. So we'll be observing very carefully whether the market is trying to push you on upper side or downside. All right, guys. So just be okay lah. Don't worry. All right, guys. My nose is itchy, guys. Is it the 1 minute time frame? Yes, this is just a scalping, brother. Small scalping right now. Okay, just scalping it. Just scalping, right? So since the market have tried to break out on upper side, all right, we are tracing the retest phase right now. All right, we are tracing the retest phase. Very minor one, huh? Very minor scalpings right now. So you're observing whether the market happens to break through below these levels or not. All right, okay, or market breakthrough on upper side or not. Okay, guys, so you have a breakdown towards the downside. All right, breakout on upper side. Which side it will be expected? All right. So we can see the market have got a rejection from if you are taking this as a level one, right, guys? If you have watched my video, you will know it what we are trying to do it, right? Okay. So this is becomes number two, right? If you are following this breakouts, right? Okay. It came down, got a breakdown towards the downside, right? And went up, right? So from these levels has a good chances of moving an upper side as well towards the downside as well. So you're waiting for the confirmations in this level. So meanwhile waiting, we can take small scalpings. All right, if it happens to break out on upper side, we'll be taking all the way towards this zone. All right, okay, so this is what it's going to be. Okay, market give a small move and again trying to reverse it back towards your levels again one more time towards your stop loss of the small 0.004 percentage minor one. All right, I think it is lost, right? Okay, given a small move only right now. So let's observe for the little bit bigger time frame right now. Okay, whether the market happens to, this is level one for, so if for the 1 minute time frame, this is the level one. All right, this is the level two, and you are confirming on the upper side whether it breaks out on upper side or not. If it breaks out, well and good, that can be moved till this levels, right? If it gets rejections, right, from here, you're waiting for the downside move one more time, pushing you towards the downside. All right, okay, so overall this is what we will be trying to check on. All right, so I think market needs to move towards downside, but in fact we cannot be 100% sure as well, right? Okay. So we are checking in this breakouts, right? Let's try to use our whatever the knowledge that we have, try to make a small confusion zones in this levels, right now, trying to make a bigger retest levels, right? Let's wait, guys, have patience. We'll wait for a little bit and we'll try to go. All right, yeah of $66,240. Okay, that makes sense as well. That's also fine. So we are checking it, right? So whether the market gives you all the way on upper side or not. If it gives the breakout directly, that's well and good, right? But if it doesn't gives, then you are going back to one more time towards the downside. All right, you need to test whether you are getting through from this levels or not, right? Okay, so if it goes through, then we will be getting downside move. If it happens to pass through from here only, we'll be getting an upper side move, right? So this is the last level, I guess. You have a breakout 1 minute time frame, you have breakouts on upper side as well as downside, but the move that you get on upper side, it may not be very high, right, guys? Okay, it may not be very high. All right. So you have got a breakouts on upper side, small levels, right, guys? Small retest is left. Let's wait, right? Have patience. Let's wait for a few minutes, and we'll try to start. All right, start with the scalping. All right. At the same time, we'll try to see the gold as well, right? What's happening with the gold? If we see better opportunity on the gold, right? We'll try to see. Okay. Let's try to see gold as well, right, guys? Okay. BTC alone. All right. Yesterday, gold gave a very big pump on upper side, right? We were having a scalping session from here. Later on, gold have seen that a very big move on upper side, right, guys? Okay. For the gold now, right? Let's try to see for the gold as well. Gold, gold, gold. One pending orders on the downside for the gold, right? Okay, for the gold as well. Gold has the chances of coming to this levels as well. Gold, 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 gold lovers. Okay, for the long ones, right? For the long ones, only above breaking above these levels, we can see a long move on upper side. All right. Okay. From here, it might like to give you a move on upper side, but only till this levels. If the market happens to move again, it needs to come back to this levels, right? Okay. So this is what we can see in the gold right now. Gold also similar behavior we can see, right, guys? Just wait, have patience. Little bit of sideways going on for the golds, right? Most probably gold needs to drop to this level, I guess. Let's try to study these levels. So gold is staying in this levels, not able to push upper side or downside, right, guys? Okay, we can see gold is staying in this levels right now. Given a breakout for a retest, right? I think gold will do something like this on a downside move. All right. Just have patience. Let's try to wait for a few minutes. Okay. Have patience, guys. Have patience. Right now, gold is not. It's not coming out from the zone yet. Like this or like this, I guess, most probably for the gold. So for the overall gold, you'll be waiting for the short positions below this levels, right? Okay, guys. Okay. So if it happens to come directly and breaks out below this levels, we'll just wait for the retest to confirm and we'll try to aim for the downside move. All right. Upper side move, it will come only above this levels if it happens to hold above this one. All right. Okay. So most probably gold also might like to give you to the move towards the downside from here. Playing around in the zone and trying to push you towards the downside can be seen for the gold right now. It's 1 minute time frame. It's very dirty, right? Okay. Let's wait for the gold to come out a little bit. All right. BTC, if it is not able to push to you on upper side, right? Most probably we can expect the market to move towards the downside only. Let's try to take one scalp from here, very risky one. All right, very risky trade. We'll try to take it right with a stop loss above these levels, right? You are trying to retest the trade the retest phase. Okay, let's try to take one shots, right? In fact, if the market happens to break out from these levels on upper side, that becomes long. Okay, but it is getting rejection one more time, right? And we'll try to aim for the small shots on a downside if it happens to give it, right? Maximum level of test that we can see is in this levels. Okay, again, it should be coming something like this. So this levels is very important, all right? Okay. So right now you don't know whether the market is going to go up and break out on upper side or not. If it breaks out, that's well and good. If it doesn't breaks out, that can be a good chance for us to move towards the downside one more time. Let's see, guys, whether this respect this one or not. We'll try to take one shots, okay? If it is not able to break out on upper side. Let's go. We'll aim something like this, okay? Above this level stands a bull side, okay? But we may not be able to take from here after the checking on the retest phase. If it happens to confirm, then only we'll be able to take it. Otherwise, we won't be able to take the longs over here. All right. Hi, short positions. Das Butar. Yes. If it breaks out, that will become long, okay? But most probably I'm expecting something going back to this levels, trying to fake out longs and try to come down one more time. Okay. Small scalp on the downside. Hi guys, welcome everyone. Hi. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, all right guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right? Okay, every time I come on a live stream, right? Okay, you can catch me always. All right, we'll try to take few scalps right now. We try to take a small scalp from here, or given a move, only small move towards the downside. Let's wait, have patience guys. Upper side, if it happens to move, if it happens to give breakouts from here, then only you can take it upper side. Okay, the minimum move that you'll get will be this one. All right, if it happens to break out on upper side, that will be around 0.22 percentage. Let's wait, have patience. Gold right now, wait. Gold also a little bit waiting period. Okay, you need to wait a little bit. VIP trader, hi. Check DXY. You want me to check DXY? Index not moving at all. La 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 la. मेरा मन क्यों झुक जाए ये बंधन. It is a little bit sideways, okay, right now for the smaller time frame. DXOI. Have patience, have patience. Have patience, guys. Why is it so late? Gold going a little bit sideways, okay? Gold sideways a little bit. BTC is struggling it. Orange, orange, nache, orange. Yuan should be booked in this levels, right? P2 in this zone, the rest of the TPs. Firstly, you might like to have small TPs in this one around this zone, right? Second TP you can mark around this levels. Third TP and fourth TPs, right? Above these levels only we can plan for the longs, okay, right now. If it happens to give, we can plan above these levels. Gold, wait, okay. Gold is waiting period right now. Still not coming out. BTC, let's try to check for the bigger time frame as well. it seems like BTC will give this move, guys. But whether it will give directly or not, I don't know. Firstly, it might like to play around a bit. Again, on a New York sessions, it might like to play around a bit, then only later on. Okay, either that should be something like this, right? Or it should be something like this from here, right? Okay. Did you enter? Mohat. If you are entering, I'm holding on a downside move for the BTC, okay? If you are entering it, right, okay, you can go with the minimum fund possibles, right? Okay. In this levels, right, you are expecting market to go one more time on upper side, then you are going down towards the downside. So exact entry will be something like this, whereby you are trying to go something like this, right? Whereby you will go up, try to get rejections and get entry and come down. All right, okay. If you're directly entering, you have no confirmations right now. All right, okay. If you're directly entering, you need to go with the minimum fund as possible, but you need to have stop loss above this levels. Okay, not confirmed yet. Your positions is it's just retesting a bit. Mm, if you are going with a small fund, I think it should be okay. After the confirmations, you can go with the normal fund, right? Mm. But you shouldn't hold above this level. This is the maximum levels. Above this one becomes a breakout on the upper side, and it will go up to this levels, right? Okay. So if you want to wait for confirmations, it is up to you all. All right. So first TP will be this one, second TP, third TP, fourth TP will try to aim for the downside. All right. So how much it gives it, right? Okay. Boo. Minimum fund. Minimum fund, those who have activated with the minimum fund, I think you got a good TP1 done. All right. Okay. TP1 done. All right. Those who want to wait for the confirmations, you can wait. All right. Okay. Don't and try to enter from the this levels. If you have entered from the top, that's fine. But you make sure you book some profits. All right. If you try to give you other breakouts towards the downside, you see whether the market happens to give you the rejections from here and try to push you on the upper side or not. If you have entered with your minimum fund, you need to book profits. Okay, move your stop loss immediately to the entry. See, I told you, yeah, go straight to drain. Yeah, motor bro. But if you want to wait for confirmation, still we can wait it, right? Okay. But one thing is, I have a shots from the top. That's why I'm not entering in this levels right now. It's all for you all only. Okay. I have a shots from the top with my VIP. We have yesterday we tried to open with you all shots from. Okay. We were shorting from this levels, guys, yesterday. If you have not mistaken, right? If you have watched me yesterday, right? Okay. Yesterday you opened a short with me in this levels. We opened a short in this level, guys. All right. We opened a short from here and try to come down. All right. Okay. For the scalpers, this was the maximum levels, right? Okay. Yesterday's setups, last setups, right? We try to give something like this. So we are planning shots on a downside only. All right. So minimum fund holders, right? I think you are, if you have entered, well and good, right? If you are waiting for confirmations, it's okay. If you miss, don't worry. All right. You will get a chance again. One level is missing still. Market will give it or not, I don't know. Pushing you down. Without doing this last retest, it have tried to go on a downside. Okay, those who have tried with the minimum fund, I think it's okay. But those who waited for confirmation, you missed the trade, no problem. All right, let's wait, have patience. There is chance of liquidations, right? If it happens to break down below these levels, it is going to be crazy towards downside, guys. So this is the levels that we're aiming for, but it might like to do the some retest from the top, right? Okay, before it comes all the way towards downside. Don't worry, those who have missed, right? Okay, you can still wait, no problem at all. You see whether it breaks out from these levels or not. If it breaks out, you'll get a second entry from here. Okay, after retest getting down, right, you'll get a quick move from here towards these levels towards downside, right? One level of retest it have tried to miss from the top. You see whether it breaks down or not. If it breaks down, then that is crazy. Don't worry, okay, those who have missed, right, you are going to get opportunities, right? Don't worry at all. Those who have gone with a small fund, move your stop loss to the entry, right, and just let it flow with a small fund. If it happens to move up, right, your stop loss get out, right? Again, you are going to aim for the next move. 65,521 is major resistance. 65,371, it might like to try this one if it happens to come down, all right? Because there is a pending orders left on a downside, all right? Okay, for the bigger holders, right? Bigger holders. So you might like to see market coming to these levels. If it happens to break down below these levels, you're going crazy on a downside. Which more? Getting rejections one more time. You observe whether it breaks out towards the downside or not. If it doesn't breaks out, then market is moving in upper side. All right, okay. If market is not able to break down from this levels towards the downside, market will go directly on a this levels. Okay, so we will wait for this levels to open our long positions and try to move on upper side. All right, let's wait, have patience. Have patience, guys. Have patience. Have patience. Right. Have patience. If you have positions, have patience. If you have, but for those who have entered with a small fund, book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry. Right. This is just a scalping, right? Okay. So how much it gives you, we'll try to keep tracing it back, right? So two TPs done for now. All right. It's getting rejections one more time. All right. Okay. So above these levels, if it happens to move above these levels, guys, all right, you are going to open a long positions, right? Okay, because one retest is left out, all right, you'll try to trace these levels on upper side. Until and unless this is not breaking out from these levels on upper side, you are doing nothing for the longs. All right, you'll be going for the shorts only, all right. Okay. Mhm, 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 mhm. Have patience. We'll try to see if it happens to get rejections or not. Mhm, mhm. Wait on, guys. Have patience. From here on a 1 minute time frame, you have a two ways. One is breaking out on upper side. All right. For the shorter ones, you wait for the this levels to open your shorts, right? Okay. So most probably you will be waiting for this one to open a short, right? Go all the way to its downside. All right. Okay. Those who have missed, right, the previous entry. On upper side, you are not doing anything. This is going to retest it, guys. All right. If it happens to move above these levels, we'll open one long scalp, right? Okay. If it happens to come down below these levels, we'll try to go for another scalp on a downside. All right. Okay. Upper side in this levels, you are not going to do anything in this levels, right, guys? Okay. So this levels, you will be ignoring it. Okay. This much levels, you will try to ignore it because it has a good chances of faking you out all the way, right? Okay. You are going to do nothing for this levels. All right. That's clear, guys. All right. That's clear. Again, one more time, if it happens to come to this levels, below this levels, we'll try to open a shorts and try to move towards downside directly. We'll take one's risks on the shorts one more time. Okay. Below above these levels, only we'll try to scalp for the longs. All right. Otherwise, we'll try to look below these levels. We'll try to look for the short scalps only. All right. Okay. Just wait few minutes. If it comes, we'll operate one shot, okay? Just wait for a second. If it comes below this levels, we'll try to short and try to move towards downside immediately, all right? So just observe in this levels whether it happens to give you the downside move below this levels or not. If it gives, that's well and good. If it doesn't give, then you need to wait for the upper side move, right? Okay, one more time. Let's wait, guys. Have patience. So scalping, you should be quick at entering and quick at exiting. Booking profits. All right. Quick. Definitely going down. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Because this have given a breakout towards downside. This is retesting. This is the final retest it's doing. All right. So you don't operate your short from the top. You wait for this levels to come in. All right. Okay. To cross just a one candle below. All right. And we'll try to go for one more time towards the downside. All right. And for the upper side move, most probably above this levels only it will be a long side, all right, because it have done a breakouts on upper side, right? And this is doing the retest. If the retest gets confirmed, then that's on a push on upper side, right? Okay, so from here we can open a next move on upper side, right? Okay, so as soon as it gives, they will try to operate one short positions again, all right, towards the downside. So again, you will be having a same TPs, right? You have a multiple TPs in this levels, right? Okay, so same TPs, right, for the another second moves, right? One, two, three, four. All right. Okay. So three levels you have. Longs, those who are waiting for the longs, plan only above these levels. Otherwise, after finishing the liquidations or whatever move you have on a downside, after that only you can plan on the longs. Otherwise, you cannot plan longs in these levels. You can plan above these levels only. Okay. Since the market is giving you all the way towards the downside, right? Okay. Market is giving you the move towards the downside. Its pressure is more towards the downside, right? For the reversal, you need to get out towards the safe zone. Then only you can start planning for the longs. All right. Okay. Just second, right? It couldn't come at close below. Just second, just second. Wait. Have patience. Just second. Just one candle on below this levels will do for us. All right. Okay. Then we'll try to go towards downside. Just wait. Okay. Have patience. Have patience. Have patience. Let it close down. Those who have tried from the top, stop loss at entry, huh? Okay, your minimum fund. Those who have tried with your minimum fund, stop loss at entry. All right, okay. You keep your stop loss at entry. If you have hope you booked two profits already, right? So it should be very quick booking profits, right, guys? Okay. So don't wait for the all the way to a downside. When you reach to the certain levels, you should keep booking some profits, right? Okay. The way you make these trend lines are awesome. I don't know. We try to just this looks like a spider web. So many people says that it looks like a spider web. All right. All right. They say it's a spider web. Mm. Just wait, okay? Have patience, a little bit. All right. Then we operate one shots towards the downside. Mm. Then after that, stop loss or our target. All right. Above these levels only, you start planning your longs, huh? Don't plan your longs over here. Here also has a good chance of faking out, right? After clearing out this one, then you can go for the longs 10 target this one, 0.24 percentage. Right. So New York sessions today, right? On the New York sessions, might be you might like to see the upper side move. Right now, I'm also expecting market to move towards the downside. But during the New York sessions, you might like to see the market moving in upper side as well, right? Okay. We never know, right? Okay. For the gold, wait, okay, still sideways. Gold is playing inside the sideways. Just wait. All right. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, all right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right? Okay, every day on 11 UTC, you can catch me always, right, guys? I always try to come on a live stream with you all, right? Okay, we'll try to study the market together and try to make some analysis, right? And make some dollars, right, together, right, guys? Okay. Mm. Hi, short movie clips. Hi, welcome, bro. Das, all right. Hi, gold. Gold is in the sideways right now, bro. Gold is a little bit sideways. Wait for these levels to open your short. All right. Okay. One level is gap on a downside. If it never comes from here, right? If it, in case, if the gold happens to stay above these levels, that will become long. All right. Okay. But in case if it happens to return back towards downside, you wait for these levels to open short, or you can open from here as well, right? Take a little bit more risks, right? Okay. And you try to come down to these levels. All right. Okay. So go back to these levels and try to come down to these levels again. All right. So you wait whether the market happens to get rejection from these levels or not. All right. If it gets rejections, you wait for these levels to come in and we can go for the shots. Right. Okay. One more time. Above these levels, if it gets stuck, your trade will be invalid. So you are doing nothing for that one. All right. Right now, a little bit sideways. So you cannot do anything for that. All right. BTC trying to play around a bit. It closed, right, guys? It closed on a downside. All right. It's closed, right? Halfway closed. Not full confirmations, but halfway. You can operate. Firstly, you try to have stop loss in the zone, a little bit long, right? And once it happens to clarify TP1 and TP2, immediately shift your stop loss to the entry and just let it flow towards downside. For the longs, BTC target only above these levels, right? Okay. If it happens to move above this levels, you can target on upper side, those who are looking for the longs, right? And we'll target from the downside. All right, once it happens to clear out, right, we'll see if the BTC gives any opportunity for you all to plan your setups, right? Okay. Seems BTC will mess up your minds again today. Das putar. Let's see. But we should be careful, all right? We never know. Market might like to mess up or not, all right? While getting a small profit, we keep booking some profit, keep booking some profit. As soon as market tries to give you the profits in this levels, right? Immediately we try to move our stop loss to the entry, all right? Those who are holding from here, you should have a stop loss at the entry right now, okay? After booking, you booked your two TPs, right, on a downside. So you need to have stop loss to the entry, right? Let's go now, right? Longs, in case if any chances of faking you out, if it runs out, this levels, right? From upper side, we'll take longs, okay? Right now, only on the shorts right now. Okay, guys. TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. Nothing much financial advice, guys. Make your own research before you move in, right, guys? Okay? Make your own research before you move in. Right now, market is trying to play in the same zone, all right? Making a little bit of sideways, okay? So I think like even if it happens to never clear all the way down, should be able to give you till this levels, right, guys? What do you think? Do you do other than trading, bro? Das Butar, I have few other works also. I'm controlling. I'm the project of royal in my country. Okay, I'm by professional. I'm a civil engineer, bro. I'm a civil engineer. Okay, and I have other few business as well. Okay, and whenever I'm free, I try to make some videos for you all. That's one thing. Okay, and whenever I try to come to the live stream, I try to trade with you all. And after this, I try to go with a few mentorship programs. Okay, after my live stream, I try to go for a mentorship program for few hours, 2 to 3 hours, and after that, I work out for my VIP people for 1 to 2 hours, right? So day ends like this, bro. Okay, so almost I spend around for the trading field, I spend around 50% of my day. All right. Okay, not trading whole time, but trading related things. All right. Okay, so trading related things. All right. Yeah, shocked. Yeah, Shubhadeep. Trading related things. I'll be involved for almost 50%. All right, and checking out my portfolios, like going back, checking out my works, all those things, right? So my day ends over there. Every day, right? Every day. And sometimes I need to spend with my families as well, right? So day ends, other than the trading things. So big project is coming in Bhutan, all right, for you all tourists. Okay, that will be the city of the tourists, whereby the people can come over there and work over there, stay over there, live over there, right? In my country, there is coming up with one project, right? Okay, whereby it will be independent from our country's rules. There will be independent rules, right? You can stay over there, work over there, trade over there, set your office, business, whatever it is, right? It will be fun, guys. All right. If you want to hit, move, book some profit for the scalpers, right? Okay, book some profits. It is making a little bit of sideways, pushing you up and up. book profits immediately. Okay, partial profit, I mean, guys. All right, partial profits. Okay, TP1, TP2 book over here, TP3 you hold for this levels. Okay, it's great how you manage all this. It's all normal now for me. That's Bhutan. It's normal. So I cannot spend whole my day on the trading as well, right? Because it becomes very toxic, you know. I cannot watch my PNL all the time. All right. So it becomes toxic. The next move, I cannot move it at all. All right. So I take few scalps, few trades I'm holding for the long term, which I don't look much back, right? Okay. Few trades I hold for the bigger time frame, more than a daily time frame, right? Okay. So that doesn't makes any pinch to me for the scalpings. Whenever I try to come with you all, I try to take few scalpings, right? Okay. And the same, I don't though I do trades, right? I don't take a multiple trades in a day, guys. All right, I take only a few, one or two, three, four, maximum two, three. All right, that's fine. That's more than enough. All right, if you get a few dollars over there, you should be happy whatever the market gives. If the market gives you losses, you should be happy, right? Okay, you should be happy for that one. After booking the TP2, right, move your stop loss to the entry. Okay, guys. All right, this is what how you do it. All right, what is your favorite BTC or gold? I trade. I don't have as such as a favorite. Okay, whichever market, whichever coin provides me opportunity, all right, I try to trade. Okay, but usually I seems like it's not my favorite. I don't have a bias because like opportunity wherever it is good, I try to take it. But for me, when I check my data, right, it seems like I trade more BTC than a gold. All right, okay, I trade on a BTC more than a gold. This is what I have seen right on my data, right? Exactly moving over there. Okay, you see market holds above these levels. If it happens to give you breakout from those levels, you'll see a very big move moving an upper side. Otherwise, you're waiting for these levels. All right, okay, you should be very careful, huh? You are waiting for these levels to open your gold positions towards the shots, right? Especially your position stands from here, all right, the more confident, okay? But you can take risks from here as well. Risks always comes with a reward, all right? Okay, guys. So firstly, you might have up multiple TPs over here. You need to have stop loss above these levels, right? Okay, because this is the level whereby the market can jump out for the can test these levels, right, to go for the upper side and get a rejections and come down, right? Okay, so you will be having firstly stop loss in this zone, right? And as soon as you book some profit on a downside, you immediately shift your stop loss to the entry and just let it flow towards the downside. So maximum level, I think you can target around $4081 on a downside if it happens to get a rejection from these levels, right? If it happens to give you a breakouts on upper side, you'll be getting a longer side move from here, right? Okay, so in these levels, you'll be very careful. You just need one breakouts on upper side, right? And you'll wait for the small retest to be done. If it is done, then you can go for a big longs on upper side from here. So it should be in these levels, you're not trading it, all right? So moreover, this levels, you are ignoring it, guys. Okay, this levels, try to ignore it. Only try to trade above this levels or downside, all right? Little bit clear level of interest, right? Nice, guys, superb, crazy, boom, guys. Bro, you're using 15-minute time frame. So 15 minutes time frame for the scalpings, I usually I don't prefer it, right? For the 1 minute time frame scalpings, right? But if I'm going for a little bit more than a scalping, right? So not like a quick, all right? I like to prefer it, all right? 15 minutes, below 15 minutes. Firstly, if you try to for the scalping, also firstly checking on 15 minutes is very nice, all right? Okay, then you come back to the 5 minutes, and for the entry, you can check it on 1 minute time frame, all right? That would be nice, all right, guys. Nice one, guys. Those who have gone for the big small trade from here, that's well and good, right? Those who have taken from here also, now book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry and just let it flow. Nothing much financial advice, guys. Make your own research before you move in, right? Dragon is just trying to help you out to explain the market, right? Okay, rest is up to you whether You make dollars or you loses or whatever it is, right? Okay, so you just try to be smart enough. All right, I'm giving my 100%, you should give me your 101%, right? So that the motive of this channel will become more, right, good, right? Okay, make some dollars, good one. Okay, keep subscribing, guys. I'm helping you all out. Keep subscribing and don't be so stingy. Come on, guys. All right, keep liking, keep subscribing it, keep commenting it, right? Let's make it cheerful, right? So that it will be it will motivate me more. I'll give you more informations, guys. All right. Okay, I'll upload you more videos, all right, on the about the crypto things, the trading things, right? So you can understand and you can learn it, right? Learning is always the best thing you can do it, right, in the trading field, right? If you learn, you are a machine. I have uploaded a video for you all as well, right? If you learn first, you are going to be a money machine, all right, whereby you will be printing the money, all right? But if you just try to find the setups, it is just for temporary only, one setups, two setups. But every day come on, but you can keep learning it at the same time. Don't only focus on making money. Whatever I'm trying to explain you all, try to focus on that thing as well, right? Okay. BTC, buy view. Hi, hi, tick, 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 data. Hi, 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 bro. 1:2 booked. Wow. So that Shubhadeep, good to know that one. All right. Hi, hi, Rajesh Pandey. कैसे हो? Welcome, bro. Beholo, MK. I mean, you used 15 minutes time frame. Oh, okay, bro. Okay. We use it. All right. Thus, booked 1.3. Great, bro. This is how I'm happy when you are making dollars, guys. I'm very sad when you are making losses. Okay, so it pinches me because like I also feel the same pinch when I was a beginner, right? When I'm not able to trade on myself, when I try to copy someone else, right, and I get bashed off, I just feels like throwing us some shoes on his face, right? You might be feeling the same when you are making losses with me, right? So it happens, right? It happens, but it's not that easy as well coming on a live stream and trying to explain you all everything, right? Okay, so just try to be punctual, disciplined, right? Okay, so just try to catch me, all right? 11 UTC onwards, 2 to 3 hours I'll spend with you all, right? Okay, all right, guys, so far so good. All right. So this morning for my VIPs, we have been holding one setups from this levels, right? Yeah, most probably from this levels, right? $66,300 all the way towards downside. We're still holding on the downside until and unless it is not giving breakouts on upper side, we keeps holding it. I have given you the formula to hold it as well, right? Patience, how you build it, right? I'm going to make another video for you all right? So watch that one, right? So you book how to keep your TPs, how to keep your stop loss, and how to hold the thing. This is the thing that you requires. People always when they're learning, they always try to see or learn how to make setups only in the market, all right? Okay, this is not only the thing, guys, all right? Okay, so how to make the setups only, you should know the execution parts as well. Execution parts, all right, that's very important. That is the rest of your trading things as well, right? First, setup, disciplines, executions, it comes all together, all right, guys? If it all these things matches, then only you will be able to make dollars for a long term, all right, guys? Otherwise it is very temporary. Okay, the money that you make is going to be back to the market again one more time, right? Brother, you speak Hindi too? Yeah, I speak Hindi, Nepali, all. Okay, English, Zonka, Shacho, many languages. Just following your footstep, brother. Thanks, bro. That's good. All right, book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry. For the scalping, this is the best thing that you can do it. All right, okay, book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry, and just let it flow. Rest, let it flow. All right, this is the best thing that you can do in the trading field. All right, guys. Okay, that's nice, not bad, right, guys? That's not bad. Mm. Now move your stop loss to the entry and make your risk zero. All right, guys. Okay. The first thing that you can do is mix as soon as you get some profit, makes your zero risks minimum as possible. All right, even if it is not a zero, minimum as possible, lesser than the profit that you have booked. All right, okay, so at least it remains some profit for you all. All right, your hard work doesn't goes in the vain. Right, okay, you holding on a downside without booking profit, later on market moves on upper side, you get nothing. Though you have got some profit on your hand, you stay staring at the profits, right, and it went back to the market. It happens so many times. All right, so the best thing what you can do is keep booking some partial profits. Right, okay, rest, let it flow. Right, okay, so this is what you can do it, guys. All right, just be disciplined. If you follow the steps very carefully, I think you will be able to make dollars. But if you're not following, even if you're missing a single step, then again you are going back to zero one more time. Right, okay, making small money is better than losing. Correct. This is the mindset that you should have, guys. All right, those putar. All right, this is the mindset that you should have. All right, so at least coming to the break even and closing is better than you going to losses. Even a booking a small profit is better than you going into the big losses, guys. All right, okay, this is very important. All right, okay, so this mindset is very important. Even if it's a small, right, it keeps accumulating it day by day. Today you make around $50, tomorrow you make around $50, $20, $10, $15. The month end you are going to be you are going to be build habits over there. All right, if you're staring at the big profits and you keep losing it, if you stare at the big profits, keep losing it, again you keep staring at the bigger profits, you're losing it, right? So what is the use you trading it, right? Okay, even if it is small things, right? In a business, right, you are selling one biscuit, right, and you are earning around your profit margin, your initial investment was in a biscuit, right, at $10, right, you are selling in a $15 in a day. If you are selling one biscuit, right, you're getting a $5 profit. So assume like that only, right, in this trading field as well, right? Okay, so you are doing a business, right? Even if you make around $5 profit per trade, right, you are selling you are getting products, selling products of around 2 to 3 in a day, right? You are getting $5 to $10, that's fine. If you're making 500 $1,000, it's very excellent, right, according to your fund. So the bigger, if you're selling one laptop in a day, right, that is worth of $3,000, right, and you have sold around $3,500, you made $500. That's good, right? Okay, so according to your investment, according to your product, according to your whatever it is, right, so you're getting some rewards. That's your rewards should be taken it, right? Okay, but we have to book more than what it is our SL. No, what I meant to say is, right, for example, your stop loss is in this levels right now. All right, okay, for example, in this levels previously it was, before I say to you all to book move your stop loss to the entry, firstly around this one, right? Okay, as soon as you book your profit, now you're coming back to this level. So even if you are not keeping at entry, you try to, if some have entered from here, maybe, right, some down, right, so all of you may not be able to keep your stop loss at entry. For me, this will be my entry. All right, this was my entry. So for you all, maybe this will be entry, this was an entry. So after booking some profit, for if you enter from here, you book some profit. Now if you are keeping a stop loss on the upper side, right, it should be lesser than the whatever you have booked on the profits on the downside. This is what I mean to say. All right, okay, so even if it goes up and loses, right, at least you will get around a $1, $2, $50, $100, whatever it is, right, you'll get excess again. Otherwise you are going to get into emotional thing again one more time. Oh, I got a few dollars, again went back to the losses. Come on, I need to go back and check it up again for the trading things, right, trading setups, right? Okay, and you try to do again and again, right, and you keep losing it, right? Okay, you keep losing it again and again, right? So this is just a mindset game, right, guys? Okay, so if you keep booking some profits, even if it is a few dollars, it will give you peace, right? Oh, from market I got around 1% profit today, that's fine. All right, okay, that's fine. Okay, so this is the, your mind is speaking, your mind is speaking, guys. All right, you are not speaking, your mind will speak to you. All right, okay, so whatever it does, right, your mind is going to again recall it, the things that you have done, right? Okay, If you have made profits on this levels, now next step your mind will speak, oh, you can make, now I think you can make some dollars again, what some more. Then your mind is pushing you towards the market again, right? Whereby you keep losing the money again. Okay, that's great. Okay, yeah, so keep your stop, move your stop loss to the entry, just let it flow, right? Okay, why you keep your stop loss now on upper side, you're in a poor profit zone, right? Book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry and just let it flow, right? This is the simplest thing that you can do it in the trading thing. Simple thing, what you can do it guys, all right? Okay, rest, leave it to the market. So whatever you can do it, you do it guys, all right? Don't leave it for the market to do for you all right? Okay, so whatever you can do it, just keep doing it, right? Okay, not a financial advice though guys. All right, okay, you should know that this is not a financial advice though, right? Okay, so for the gold, right, one risky positions we can open from here, moving our stop loss to this levels, right? And you can have TP1. As soon as you come to this levels, you can book some profit, right? And well, coming down, right, little bit towards downside, right, you can have multiple TPs in the ranges, right, and keep booking some profit, right? In case if the market happens to break out above these levels, your short is going to be invalid, right? Okay, let it come out. So while planning an upper side as well, try to plan a little bit on upper side, not touching this point, right? It has a good point of rejection, picking out in this levels, just giving you a small breakout and turning it down. So what you can do is a little bit try an upper side, right? Okay, so if it happens to give it, then that's well and good, right? So most probably I'll be expecting the market to push you on upper side for this levels right now, all right? But let's wait and see, right? Okay, guys, if it happens to break out on upper side, let's try to go for the, let's see, right, 15 minutes time frame, all right? Okay, so this is the levels where market have tried to break out on upper side, right? And market one can be this one or this one as well, right? Okay, you have already given you the videos, right? One can be this one or this one, right? Okay, so if you take one over here, two, it should give a confirmations from here, right? Just break out, give a small retest, a little bit coming down and push you on upper side. If it gets a retest failed, again, you can expect the market to drop to your downside, and whereby the market, you are waiting for this levels to short it and try to move towards the downside. If it confirms an upper side, you have a breakouts on upper side as well, right? Okay, so whereby the market have tried to, again, trying to push you one more time on upper side. So you see whether the market breaks out from this levels or not. If it breaks out, right, small retest will be, now you got a breakout on upper side, rejection from the down, all right? Okay, so if it confirms that, that's well and good, right? Okay, just waiting for the third level of confirmations in this levels for the gold, right? Okay, I missed a gold long entry. I was aiming for a trend line touch. Oh, okay, it's no problem. Gold is still, you cannot plan your longs over here, right? Okay, if you are scalping from here to this level, that is fine, right? Okay, but if you are really wants to go on upper side, right? Okay, it needs to give you the breakouts from here, all right? Okay, small retest should be also given, right? So you will have enough time to plan your long setup, so don't get into foremost, right? Okay, guys, you need to have patience, right? Okay, if it happens to break out, plan a little bit on upper side, guys, all right? Okay, and you can keep moving on upper side, one retest maybe you'll get it. Okay, for BTC, right, keep booking some profit, move your stop loss to the entry and just let flow, right? Just a second, right, guys, I need to go and do the washrooms. So far so good, guys. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, okay. So you don't have to search me again, Dragon, Dragon, Dragon. All right, you can call me Dragon. You can press Dragon BHU30. All right, you can find me out immediately. All right, this is only I have this name, Dragon 3 BHU30. All right, okay. So in case if you are looking for the longs, right, guys, okay. So if it is directly happens to push you on upper side, you can wait for this levels round, right, to plan your longs. All right, so it comes lower and lower and lower, right, okay. Mhm. Level of interest, guys, level of interest will be different, so you will be able to get a, even the target is smaller, you will get a concrete profits, right? So your ranges for the longs is very long right now, very high right now, okay. This is what you can think. So at the same time, you see whether you are breaking out from these levels or not. So breaking out from these levels, it doesn't mean that a market is not moving on a downside. It means that market is going to take some time. All right. No, I was aiming other trend line, bro. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, okay, bro. All right. Not able to come out yet. Okay, just wait. Have patience. Wait, okay, guys. Wait, wait, wait. Have patience. Have patience, okay. Have patience, guys. Have much patience, guys. All right. We'll try to see a gold also a little bit. Those who are planning for the gold, they might be very sad gold lovers, right? Dragon says nothing about the gold. They might be getting bored, right? All right. Market has chances of coming back one more time towards this levels, right? One more chances, market might like to push you up. Wait, okay, have patience. Have patience, guys. Have patience. Have patience. Have patience. Have patience. We are there, almost there to plan our setups. Okay, for the gold. Market slightly trying to come out for the BTC and a 1 minute time frame. So we book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry, and just let it flow, guys. All right. So after booking profit, it doesn't make much difference for you all. All right. So far, so good. What is the time in the Bhutan now? This is around 6:27 p.m., bro. 6:27 p.m. After this, I go back to some mentorship class, right? Then I work out for my VIP, right? Lots of things are there. Okay, so it's coming out from the trend right now. All right. Book some profits, huh? It's coming out from the trend. So that's the first signal that Mark, you should be very careful. All right, okay, those who are holding on the shots for the scalpers, especially you, since you are looking for the 1 minute time frame. All right. Until and unless this is not giving you the breakouts, right, and a prasad, no problem. All right, okay. So once you get a breakout from the trend, that is the thing whereby you need to focus it, whether to hold it or not. Then only, so rest of the time you can just keep talking, 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 right, while going on a downside. As long as you are below this level, as soon as it happens to give you the breakouts, right, then you have to think a little bit, right, okay. You need to focus a little bit more, all right, on those kind of conditions. Okay, it's breaking out on upper side right now. Just wait. All right. Gold moving up. Just wait. Little bit, have patience. Little bit more patience is required. Wait. Mm-hmm. Wait. Okay, guys. Wait. Have patience. Wait for the retest, right, guys? If it never does the retest, I don't know, right? But it's all better you wait for these levels and try to, if it's really moving up, then you can go up above, right? Wait, huh? If I was there, I won't be planning right now. I will wait for a few minutes for the gold lovers, right? Gold lovers, wait, okay, wait, have patience, okay, wait. One small, if it is giving a small move on a downside, then breaking you up, that's well and good. If it moves directly, I don't trust. Have patience, guys, for the gold. If it comes down, do a small retest and pass through on upper side. You can open a long positions. Firstly, target will be this levels, okay? And above this levels, how much it can throw you out, you'll be tracing the trend line. Okay, it's coming up now, breaking out from your trend, which means that the scalpers, you should be very careful. All right, okay? Scalpers for the shots for the BTC. Right now, it have not closed up. Small liquidations left. It means that market is not, it doesn't mean that market has no chances to move on a downside. It means that market is going to take some time. All right, if it happens to clarify from this levels of retest that you have, okay? That might be all the way on upper side as well again. All right, for the scalpers, it's trying to break you out. You got it, guys. It doesn't mean that market is not moving on a downside. It might be taking some time, right? Or go all the way in upper side as well. All right, okay? So it has two meaning. Take some time and move on a downside, or take some time and go on upper side. Still good. Wait, okay? So last moment you are waiting for the 1 minute time frame for their entries, okay? Okay, coming for the retest, right? So if you have entered from here, you'll get fear again. If you try to enter from the top, you'll get fear, right? So just wait. Just wait, have patience. Why I feel like market is coming down to gold market. Patience. You're waiting for the last move. All right. In case if the market happens to not push above these levels, you're waiting below these levels to short it towards downside. All right. Okay. Above these levels, there stands a longer side, right? Okay. But in case if it's not push you on upper side below these levels, right? Where is it? For the gold, for a gold, gold. It's third levels. So you're waiting it. Comes down and breaks down. Where's the downside? Oh, will you get a long side? Wait, okay, have patience. If it gives a small move on upper side and tries to come down, we can open short from here immediately, right? And try to push you one more time towards the downside. So this will be first TP towards the downside, all right? Okay, first TP. You want to take risks, guys, but it's going to be very risky without the retest. It's going to be very risky without the retest, guys. What should we do? Wait for the retest. First TP, second TP, and rest. You can hold it up to this levels for the gold, right? Can go with a small fund firstly, right? If you are not, if you are running into foremost, right? Okay, for the gold, right? But your stop loss should be above this levels if you are going to for a small fund, if you are trying to go without the confirmations, because like above this levels it's going to be long again, right? If you wanted to wait for confirmations, you can wait it, right? If you are not sure, go back and try to get rejections and try to clear you towards the downside. If you are running into FOMO, you can activate with a small fund as possible, right? Okay, but you should have stop loss above these levels, right? Okay, above these levels shouldn't pass it. Gold shouldn't pass above these levels. Maximum levels, I think it's going to be above these levels, right? And have TP1 over here, TP2 over here, and TP3 over here, and you can hold for the downside move. All right, okay, for the gold as well. BTC all good, right, guys? All going good right now. So one liquidation taken, now you can open your long positions above these levels, okay, guys? And your target will be this one. All right. In case, if the market happens to reverse an upper side, right? Okay. If it happens to reverse, we can open one long position from here and try to push you on upper side for the BTC. All right. If it happens to keep continuing on a downside, if it never comes back above these levels, we are not going to do anything. Let's try to plan a little bit upper side from the level of interest, right? Okay, so far so good, guys. Hope that was helpful for you all, right? Okay, those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button. All right, those who are looking for the longs, those who don't have a positions, right, above these levels only. All right, okay, below these levels you are going to do nothing. It will be the place for the shots only. All right. So till how much it can trace it, we'll keep tracing on a one side. All right. Keep booking some profit, move your stop loss to the entry, and this is how you are going to trace your scalping sessions. All right. Okay. Gold trying one more time. If it breaks out, so this is the H. This is the last H you have in the star gold, right? Above these levels, it stands a longer side. All right. Below these levels, if it happens to get a rejection from the top, right, there will be a big shots coming in for the gold, right, towards the downside. All right. If you are running into FOMO, you might like to start with a small fund firstly, right? Okay. Then you can plan it accordingly, all right? but you need to have stop loss above this levels 0.17 percentage, not more than that one. All right. Most probably in New York sessions, you might like to see these levels if it happens to give the pullback on upper side. सर जी हाय हाय कैसे हो ठीक हूँ भाईजान न्यू ट्रम्प बिगेस्ट गोल्ड सीपी 3200 go go all right what is there a news going on is there a news going on guys keep eye on a gold everybody all right okay that can be a big breakout on upper side as well as going down right 30 minutes ahead from India yeah 30 minutes ahead from Subhadeep right 30 minutes very careful all right if you are waiting for the confirmations it will be below this one all right okay but this is a risky level whereby you are trying to trace your little bit more risks the risks always comes with the rewards you know that one right guys okay risk always comes with a reward 3 TPs hit guys all right for the scalpers till now New York sessions 1 hour to go 1 hour we have to play around have patience right सर जी कैसे हो ठीक हूँ भाईजान ठीक हूँ those who are watching me for the first time don't forget to hit the subscribe button all right guys so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions right okay कैसे हो कैसे बिरखा बिरखा भाई कुमार ठीक हूँ भाईजान आप कैसे हो भाईजान वेलकम एवरीवन थोड़ा सफर करो उम्मीद रखो पेशेंस रखो patience our maximum level it to retest this one चलेगी ना भाई चलता है ना भाई gold going back for the retest. This was the retest for the upper side. Okay, this is the confirmations level. All right, if it passes up, that will be long side. It gets rejections, that will be a short side all the way towards downside. Almost given full TPs, right, guys? Almost given full TPs, right? Still moving down. Great, right, guys? Gold coming down. BT coming down. Have patience. Book some profits, guys. Move your stop loss to the entry. Rest. Let it go. Right. धीरे धीरे प्यार का बढ़ाना है La 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 la. ये क्या गिफ्ट का गोल दे दिया आज मेरे को यूट्यूब सेंड में सम नोटिफिकेशन गिफ्ट गोल मैं टासा दिया कुछ भी नहीं जीरो दिखा रहा है I have a gift goal today and but if you want to hit guys all right मालामाल हो गया guys if you want to hit book some profits for the gold YouTube sends me some gold gift notification I pasted over there says zero gift gold going good it couldn't push up from this level see guys मजा है ना feeling okay nice for the gold lovers as well BTC and gold both we did good scalping today guys all right we'll try to take one BTC we keep holding on a downside right in fact if it happens to give an upper side on a New York session we'll try to take one from this levels and upper side most probably BT might like to do something like this 5,600 ranges on the downside ooh see guys I told you okay मजा आया ट्रेड करने आज. Full TP guys, hit it. R and bar. Where is R and bar, Suvadeep? I told you guys, right? BTC is hitting this one, given a huge profit. Excuse me, guys. धीरे धीरे प्यारों का full TP hit it, guys. Congratulations, those who have taken it. Those who have no positions, nothing much to worry. Gold are also giving you good profits, guys. All right, scalpers. All right, BTC ने दिखा दिया ना मजाक. Given, guys, given you full TPs for BTC. Maximum level BTC, if it happens to hold below, right? If it couldn't pass on upper side, you're getting towards $65,376. $65,376, okay? Maximum. Those who have profits, right? Okay. Those who have booked profit, after booking profit, you can move your stop loss towards $65,900. If you want to hold right towards downside, you can keep holding on the downside. All right. Okay. Now gold, after hitting these levels, try to move your stop loss to the entry zone, right? And just let it flow. All right. Okay. After hitting this profit, okay. Otherwise, you can keep your zone on upper side only. As soon as it hits this one, because like before it hits this one, for now, it have trying to go to this levels, right? Okay. In case if it wants to play around, right, it might like to play around to this zone and again to send you back, right? For that reason, after booking one profit, right, you need to move your stop loss immediately to entry, rest, let it flow, right? But book some profits, right? TP1 heated, TP2, TP3, TP4 for the bulls, right? Towards the downside. BTC, if it comes up directly up, right, we can take one long from here, okay? Otherwise, if it's not coming up, if it happens to get rejections, right, you need to have stop loss above this, around this zone, right, above these levels, maybe $65,900. If it has a good chances of sending you back from here towards downside, something like this, okay? But in fact, if it happens to break out towards the upper side, right, from here, you will see the market moving firstly to these levels, right, first TP, and furthermore on upper side, right? Congratulations for the BT gold taken a single setup, right? Almost all profit hit it, guys. Okay. Mm. Confident trade from here, BTC upper side move. Risky trade from here, upper side move. So always I have two levels for you all, right? One is confident trade, one is risky trade. Okay. So levels, all right, it's about the levels. Gold, as long as you are with my trend line, you are great, good to go. All right. But if it happens to break out, you need to find out the retest is getting confirmed or not. All right. Gold, Madijal, gold going good. All right. For now, it's going good. धीरे धीरे प्यार का बढ़ना है. BTC is still good. Maximum level BTC, if it happens to go within anything, for now 65,374 can be seen. All right, it's on the plan. $65,376 without any gajamaja. If it happens to, without any pullbacks, if it happens to go, you'll see BTC running towards $65,379. Okay, so for that reason, those who are holding from the top after booking your TPs, right, if you're still holding on a down, your stop loss should be around $65,900 and keep holding on a down, right? Okay, long ones only plan above these levels. In fact, if you get from the down, that's well and good, right? Above this level seems a good long for you all, in case if the market returns, so you need to omit these levels. Still moving. Nice, guys. Can you get us a re-entry on gold? Gold re-entry will be mm, in case if it would like to retest these levels. Okay, retest these levels from here, you can trace it towards downside. Nice, guys. Gold. Now book some profit, guys. Move your stop loss immediately to entry. Rest, let it go for the gold. All right. BTC, lovely, guys. Superb. Crazy, crazy, guys. Crazy, crazy. Okay. Crazy, crazy. Okay. Those who are holding still, all right. That's superb, crazy. All right. That's crazy. I see BTC moving towards $65,377. Guys, I have been holding BTC from this levels, guys. All right. This morning. Yesterday, I took one shot from here all the way towards this zone. Again, one more shot from here. I'm still holding on a downside. With my VIP peoples, all right. This morning with my VIP peoples, right. So if in fact gold second entry, guys, all right, in these levels you are not doing anything, all right. In case if the gold happens to come down and pass below these levels, right, you'll get a second entry and you are going to go for the downside. Okay, so this is what you are going to do it. All right, so for those who are holding from the top, right, you can book some profit, move your stop loss to entry. All right, in case if it gets rejections, this is the retest right now, breakout towards the downside. All right, this is doing retest. Okay, so if this confirms the retest, immediately you can open the shots and try to push you towards the downside. All right, most probably the maximum level of retest should be within this one and it should get reversed. All right. For BTC we cannot plan anything right now. For the longs you need to wait a little bit more. Okay, we cannot plan longs. In case market happens to from here, risky one long can be taken for those who are aggressively waiting for the longs. All right. Okay, but I think BTC should be moving towards 65,388. So New York sessions is about to start. It is going to give you all the random things. So today I try to come a little bit early than the New York sessions because New York sessions is always tries to do the random things. You should be careful. All right. Okay. Gold second entry. All right. From these levels, but you need to have a little bit bigger stop loss in this ranges right now. New York sessions about to start. Just try to be careful. All right. Just let it close. Let it close below. Okay. This is the confirmations retest. All right. So you need to close below, then only you can open your shots. Just to observe this level so carefully, guys. All right. In case if it happens to close down, otherwise wait for the market to move up and get rejections. Those who are holding from the top, right, you need to have stop loss to the entry. All right. Okay. In case if it happens to again break out from this levels and upper side, you will be getting long side. So for that reason, all right. It is going to play around a bit before it drops, I guess. So you're waiting for these levels, okay, or another shots. Make sure you book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry, right? Even if it reverses it, right, you shouldn't be having any pinch because like you have already booked your profits, right? Okay. BTC is still moving, right? Congratulations to all those people who try to trade with me, right? Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button. I'm every day I try to come on a live stream, okay? So you can catch me always. All right. For the gold, it's getting a reverse a little bit, right? Okay. Second entry for the gold, again trying to come to this levels, okay? If it tries to come to this levels, immediately we can open a shots and try to move towards downside. All right. One levels for this levels of those who are going for the second entry, right? You might like to have multiple TPs. All right, one, two, three, four. All right, because like for upper levels, you have one second TP is already booked for them. All right, okay. So you are trying to trace a little bit towards the downside. All right, okay. Gold boom. Okay, made a good profits. Putar. Have patience, okay? Have patience now. Maximum level BTC 5,300 something dollars over there for the scalpers. But after booking profit, you need to have stop loss above these levels. Above this level is going to be long again. All right. Gold, those who are planning an upper side, all right. Those who are don't have positions, if you are waiting for the gold on upper side, above these levels, it will be a good zone for you to buy for an upper side, okay? Only above these levels. Otherwise, below, you cannot plan, all right, okay? Below, you cannot plan. These levels, you cannot plan. You are still inside the trends right now, below the trends, okay? Because of that reason, you cannot plan gold on upper side from here. High chances gold can give you all the move towards downside, all right, okay? In fact, if the New York sessions happens to change, right, its directions, you can wait above these levels. All right, okay. After our shots get exceeded, right, then only you can plan for the golden upper side. For the BTC as well, keep moving on a downside, right? Okay. So I think market is going to go to this levels, right? Okay. For the BT as well, but those who are holding from the top, make sure your stop loss is around this range. All right. Okay. You need to book profit already. All right. Some profits. Spider wave strategy for you all, right? Okay, guys. धीरे धीरे प्यार का बढ़ाना है Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, all right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right? Okay, guys. So, how much profit is spending now? BTC have left 0.4 percentage spending, all right. If the market happens to push you on upper side, you take the long from here, and again you can plan your shots around this zone, $66,300 right zone. If it left spending, right, okay, you can aim for the market to come down to this level one more time. If it keeps fulfilling right now, that's well and good, right, guys. That's finished. Your level is finished. Those who wanted to go for shots, wait below this one, all right. Those who wanted to go for the longs, wait above this levels, okay. Now, so either way, if it gives you on a downside, it is going to be boom, all right. If it gives you an upper side, it is going to be boom, all right, okay. So you are waiting for the retest to be confirmed on a downside. I've given you the breakouts, right. Waiting for that one. If you're holding from the top, stop loss should be at entry, all right, after booking your second TP, all right. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Still some pending orders left on the downside. All right, guys, for the BTC. 0.4 percentage. New York session's about to start. Let's see, guys, what the New York session have for us, right? New York session is going to be, sometimes if you're lucky, you are going to be very good. All right. Lots of analysis, lots of setup is going to be up and down on the New York sessions. All right. Okay. Sometimes on the favorism, you will be getting a good positive points, right? But New York sessions usually tries to give you a big pump, big dump, boom, 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 play around, plays you around, right? A lot. Okay. New York sessions, what we have for the New York sessions. Let's go, BD. Let's go. Gold got stuck. New York sessions. धीरे धीरे प्यार का बढ़ाना है. Making a small H, all right, for BTC to get reverse, trying to get a breakouts on upper side, making a long side. It's making a long side for you all on upper side. Okay, BTC is making a small long side for you all. Scalpers, get out now. BTC is making a small edge for the for you all. Maybe a point of reversal can be as well. If you want it to hold, your stop loss should be above these levels. Making a reverse now, guys. BTC is reversing it. New York sessions, I don't know what it is going to do. Okay, New York session is about to start. Random things comes above these levels, we will plan it long. New York sessions is about to start, guys. So most of the time, New York session is going to give you all big bullshits. Just try to be careful. This zone, you can't do anything. Gold, this zone, you cannot do anything. Getting reverse back. Long positions, wait for these levels. Okay, you can open longs from here. Your target will be, first target is going to be this one for the gold, $4,141. Above this level only, I don't try to plan longs from here. It can play around and give you towards the move side on a downside as well. For the shots, now you can wait for these levels. It's getting squeezed now. New York sessions, I don't know what it will give. Okay, guys, gold reverse, it is reversing it, but plan above this levels long, below this level shots. Okay, inside this box you are not going to do anything, you just keep watching it. BTC still playing around. I cannot open anything in this levels. Okay, I cannot give you any positions in this levels yet. In fact, if it happens to come up, we can open long. Otherwise, it should go all the way towards $65,377. So maybe something like in the New York sessions, it happens sometimes, right? Without going for the full targets on the downside, just gives you the reverse, and later on when the New York sessions gets over, then only market tries to come to your targets, right? In case if the New York sessions happens to give directly breakouts on upper side from this levels, right, we'll take one long, and later on we'll try to come up after the New York sessions towards downside. If it finishes this up, that's well and good. All right, gold, don't try to do anything yet if you have no positions. Excuse me. Wait, have patience, guys. Have patience for the both gold and BTC. All right. If you have no positions, you need to wait. If you have positions, then also you need to have patience. For the scalpers, if you need to get out, you can get out, your full target's done. For the holders, if you want to hold, stop loss above these levels and can hold after booking some profits. Still moving down. BTC. New York session is about to start, guys. Some minutes to go. Let's go, BD. Let's go. Let's go. Hold. I'm not doing anything for now. Those who are holding need to have stop loss at entry, and after booking profit, if it wants to go up, you can get exited from here and plan on a long side above these levels. BTC going nice still. धीरे धीरे प्यार का बढ़ाना है. Have patience. Holders, have patience. Gold, have patience. New York sessions not yet started. About to start. All right. Gold is taking out the stop loss at entry for those who have plan shots, right? Okay. So now we'll try to plan a long side move from here, right, all the way and upper side. Okay, for the gold. First target this one. We'll target this one on the scalp and upper side. Okay, long positions, reactivate it. So only this much you got it for the golds on a downside. Gold. BTC is still moving down. Gold, wait, have patience. Longs activation zone, 0.47 percentage will target it. New York sessions not yet started. We want to see the New York sessions move. Have patience, okay? Gold, long side. TP1, TP2, TP3, you can book it accordingly, right? Gold, still stuck in the break even. New York sessions, come on. New York sessions about to start, guys. Let's see what the BTC will give. If it drops the maximum, you need to book profits over here, okay? So 0.34 percentage is left on a downside if it drops directly. Otherwise, BTC can create one short positions over here and try to push you on upper side and come back later on, all right, to fulfill this one, okay? Gold going nice. In case if the New York sessions happens to push you down, we'll open below this levels, okay, shots for the gold. But for now, we are aiming for the upper side move, right? In case if the New York sessions tonight, right, push you down for the gold. Right now on a longer side, we are on a longer side. We can have stop loss over here, book TP1 over here, TP2 over here, TP3 over here on upper side. Once it happens to reach above these levels, move your stop loss to the entry and just let it flow. All right, okay, entry and just let it flow. Okay, so nice for the gold. BTC going good. In case New York sessions reverses, we will open long from here above these levels, okay, for the BTC. For the gold, in case if the New York sessions reverses from here or anywhere, you wait for these levels to go for the short side. So far so good, guys. Hi Bangladesh. Bangladesh, welcome, bro. Welcome, welcome. Bangladesh, you got a country name. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, alright, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right? Okay. All right. BTC ranging towards downside. New York sessions yet to start. We are waiting for the New York sessions to do something else for us. It's not moving. Otherwise, since the New York session is approaching, it's not moving at all. Nice. Can I have your half brain? Das putar. You can take it. I'm on a live stream always. All right. You can take it. It is possible, guys. All right. Nothing is impossible, guys. All right. I'm just a normal person. All right. Okay. Just same like you all who is trying to make some dollars. Okay. Same traders. All right. Just the difference is I'm trying to explain you whatever I know, right? Okay. Over here in the live stream with you all, trying to catch up with you all. New York sessions, come on, where is it? New York sessions stucking. As soon as New York session starts, then it gives something. So we have to be very careful in the New York sessions. I just want to see the New York sessions with you all. All right. So that you don't do the random things and try to lose again. Gold stuck. Gold going good. All right. Gold scalping going good. Book one TP over here. All right. This is your first TP, second TP, third TP, okay, for the gold. Because try to keep your stop loss tight, all right, okay, for both BTC and gold, all right, because New York session is about to start, okay. It's going to give you all the random things. You'll get out very easily. Just try to be careful. It's better to protect your funds rather than losing it, all right, okay, because New York session is going to do random things, right? Then you are going to can get bashed off, right? Okay. Gold got only one TP right now, all right, on upper side. One TP is fulfilled, getting returned, right? Minimize your risks as much as possible. All right. Gold. New York session is about to start, guys. So we are waiting for the New York sessions to do something else, right? Either give your boom or give you a quick reversal, right? New York sessions. New York session started, guys. Expect some random things, huh? Okay, guys. Expect some random things. Either good move on a downside or quick reversal on the upper side. Okay, New York session is going to do something else. New York session started. All right. Gold gave a big pump on upper side from the New York sessions, right? Okay. Let's see on BTC, right? Okay, BTC also pumping, right? Okay. New York session is going to do the random things, guys. Just try to be careful. All right, wherever you're planning. Above these levels, we'll try to go for one long positions and upper side. All right. New York sessions, gold, nice one, right? Okay. Now immediately move your stop loss to the entry. All right, and just let it flow. All right, okay. So in the favorism of gold for the New York sessions, BTC, let's see. All right, BTC, let's see. BTC, if you want to take risks, whether the New York session will give you or not, I don't know, guys. Okay, let's try to take risks from here. Okay, we are taking risks, fair risk here, right? Okay, we are taking risks. Just a second. All right, very tense. Where is it closing? Yeah, let's go. All right, the New York session is very risky. Okay, you can have stop loss. There is a liquidation standing below these levels, right? Okay, we are targeting your first TP around this zone right now. Whether it will give or not, I don't know. Try to go with the minimum fund as possible, right? Okay, guys. The New York session is going to do the random things, right? Gold given a huge move on upper side, right? Okay, New York sessions give you all a big move on upper side. BTC is still targeting on a downside. we'll try to we'll try to keep your stop loss in these levels, right? Okay, and try to trust an upper side for a while. All right, let's try to mark this as TP1, right? Okay, TP2, then we'll mark this one as a TP3 and maximum TPs towards this levels. Okay, the New York sessions, just try to be careful. All right, I don't know anything, okay. I don't know anything. All right, so gold, nice move, right? For BTC, we are aiming one more time on upper side for the BTC. Let's see whether it happens to break out from those levels or not. All right, if it breaks out, you'll get a move. All right, if it gets rejection from here, again you will get a swap towards downside. All right, the New York sessions is going to do the random thing. Just try to be careful. All right, okay, guys. It's just started right now. We are aiming for one move reversal back on upper side for now. So stop loss over here. All right, in this zone, on the liquidation zone. All right. One, two, three, four TPs, right? Gold, big move on upper side, well and good, right, guys? Well done. BTC, we have the BTC one. All right, we'll try to target this levels and upper side for the BTC. Okay, if it happens to give nice. Hello, Haju, gold bloom. All right, nice. All right, okay. Gold, book some second TP booked, right? Move your stop loss to the entry, guys. All right, okay, and just let it flow. Given you the move, right? Gold. BTC, we are targeting an upper side, all right, as well as for the BTC as well. Let's see BTC will give it or not. BTC. Second TP done, guys. Book some profits for the gold. BTC immediately the TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. All right, okay, nice. Book second TP over here. As soon as the market happens to hit this one, you are moving your stop loss to the entry. All right, guys, okay. As soon as market hits your TP2, you are book some profit and move your stop loss to the entry. All right, gold. One more move is left, whereby you need to touch up on upper side. Okay, the more it plays around, the higher the gold can give you the move on upper side, right? All right, gold, let's go. Gold, come on, struggle it a little bit more. Hi guys, welcome everyone, welcome those who are watching me for the first time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, okay. So one more move is left on a gold, right? Upper side. BTC is struggling very high, struggling very much. Let's go, BD, let's go, let's go, let's go. Taza, thank you. Let's go, BD. Come on, push it up, push it up. BD, let's go. BD, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Can do it. Come on, BD, push it, push it, push it. Thank you so much, Salamni BD. TP 1 TP, you book over here and move your stop loss immediately to the entry. All right, guys. Okay. Come on, BD. Goal is still one left. Move on upper side for 153. Come on, BD, push it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, guys. Come on. Boom, boom, boom. Nice, guys. Nice, nice. All right, book some profit now. Move your stop loss to the entry and just let it flow. All right, guys. Okay. Book some profit. Scalping sessions, right, guys? Okay. Move your stop loss to the entry and just let it flow. All right, guys. All right. Okay, guys. That's not bad, right? We try to be very careful, right? We try to be very careful, all right, for the BTC gold playing around a bit. It should be moving on one side, move on upper side, all right. But don't plan a long over here, very risky, okay. But if you are holding you the stop loss at the entry, right, you might like to hold it right upper side. So 4,000 more it plays around, the higher the gold has a chances to push you on upper side. All right, okay. BT given us two targets right now. All right, move your stop loss to the entry, book some profits, right, for the scalpers, and just let it flow. Right, BD, 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 BD. BT, 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 targeting a liquidations. No, 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 guys, no, 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 no. Below this levels, if it comes right, then it will come to this level, guys. All right, New York stations, you can't do this one. So let's have this one again once more, guys. All right. Excuse me. So as long as we are We are above this trend, we are holding it, right? Once you get it out from this trend, we'll try to close, right? Okay, below these levels it stands liquidations on a downside, guys, for the BTC. Still moving good, nice. Gold, it should be a little bit more. BTC, BTC, BTC. Shouldn't cross my lines. It can cross the lines, but it shouldn't hold down the retest phase. Gold book profits are, guys, all right. It shouldn't be only this much. It should be moving a little bit on upper side, more on upper side. It have given this range only right now. Gold book some profits are going good. BTC, come on, push it up, push it up, push it up, push it up. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, alright guys, so that you can catch me from Monday to Friday sessions, all the scalpings with you all, alright, okay? So trying to understand the market, trying to scalp with you all, right? Trying to control the trades, right? Okay, we do it together, alright, okay? If it breaks out, then that's well and good, right? There stands people. So previously we were holding above these levels to open our long positions, you know that one, guys. So if it happens to break out, we'll be aiming for the upper side move, okay? But we took a risk from the downside only because of the small edge, the breakouts on upper side, and the small retest that was done. All right. So this point has a good points of reversal as well as it has a good points to push you on upper side. Let's hope for the pushing you on upper side, right? Gold, still good. BTC, trying it, right? In fact, it is trying very hard. Below this level is a liquidation. So one gap is left for the BTC, guys. All right. One gap is left on the downside whereby the BTC one day will come down and fulfill this one. All right. So most probably I might expect the gold BTC to move slowly to these lines wherever it is 66,200 or 300 ranges, right, and come back towards the downside one more time to fulfill my structural gap, because the market, the overall, we were, though we were targeting this levels and this levels, right? Okay, so overall we are expecting market to move to fill up this pending orders towards the downside. There is one gap, $65,374. So most probably market might like to move on upper side and get reversed, then come back and try to fulfill this one. All right, okay, nice guys, nice, super. So far going good. So one book some profits in these levels, right? If you have not booked profits, you need to book it. All right, this is scalping sessions. Don't be too too much over the money as well. I missed all the trades. I do. It's okay, no worries, right? You will get next setups, right? That time you can plan it, right? Okay. So next setups, if you get it, we'll plan it. Opportunity is always going to be there, right? Don't run into any FOMOs, all right? Okay, so opportunity is all will be always there, all right? Okay, so invalid, this point have become invalid for the gold, right? Okay, so we have tried our best to find out the setups for you all. Gold, two setups done, all right? Okay, we have did two setups. We have tried our best to get the setups right, guys, all right? For the gold, make sure you book some profits, right? Okay, we are approaching towards the level of level of returning it back. BTC also, we need to observe whether market breaks above these levels or not. So for that reason, you need to book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry immediately for the scalpers, all right? Because like if the market happens to return it back, right, it has a liquidations below these levels. If it happens to touch up, breaks below these levels, right, there is market is going to come to these levels, all right, to fill up the gap. If it keeps moving on upper side, that's no problem, right? Okay, as long as you are in this trend, all right. So once this trend gets broken down, you are coming back to $65,371 for. Don't try to directly plan. You need to have some analysis over there, all right? Okay, you need to have some supports, right? The reasoning to open your longs or shorts, right? Otherwise, you cannot open any positions, right? Okay, so you need to have reasons why you wanted to open your shorts, why you wanted to open your longs, right? What your brain says, right? Okay, so how much you have learned it, right? Through that informations you will be trading it. So brain sends you the message and you'll be trading, all right? Okay, so whatever the brain says, you try to follow it, not whatever your heart says, right? Okay, not emotions. So far going good. Trying to breakouts, small retest left. My voice is so okay. You missed the trade, it's okay. My voice is so low, sorry guys, all right, sorry, because like I'm getting some runny nose now, all right, very dirty, yeah. Okay, so two setups taken for the gold, three setups taken for the BTC, right? Okay, all in boom profits today. All right, guys, hope you guys have enjoyed my sessions, right? I try my best, right? I give my 100% to help you all out, right? Rest is you, right? Who is the main player? You are the Mbappe or whoever it is, right? You are the main player in the field, all right? Okay, you are the main player in the field, so you you try to give your 100% as well, okay? Book some profits, right? Move your stop loss to the entry, rest, let it flow, right? Okay, guys. Gold trying hard, very slowly and slowly. Now gold has a chances of going $4,156, right? Don't try to get into FOMO and try from the middle, okay, guys? It's not never good to try get into FOMO and try from the middle, all right? Okay, so it's coming back for the retest from the downside, right? So this levels is retesting it right now. So whether now you keep booking some profit, move your stop loss to the entry. You don't know whether the retest is going to go on upper side or continue towards the downside, right? Okay, you'll get the second move, don't worry, all right, guys, you'll get the second move. Opportunities are always there, endless. It's just you are able to catch up that opportunities or not. Book some profit, guys, immediately, all right? So it have given you the move only till this levels right now. Okay, so it's breaking out from your retest zone. Breaking out from the retest zone, it doesn't mean that it is not going on upper side. It means that it's going to take some time, right? If it happens to give you all the if it happens to pass the retest on the downside, right? So how much it can give, I don't know. It is not closing on a downside yet, all right? That's well and good. It's coming down now. So the reversal point is this levels, all right? Otherwise, you are getting down all the way towards the downside. If it happens to fail this one, you're going to go down to this levels and come back, all right? Okay, one level is there. So you should be having a stop loss to the entry, okay? If it happens to give this retest towards the downside, I'm getting a runny nose, guys. My face is itching a lot. Still good, right? Still good. Still good. Still good. Gold playing around sideways, sideways by sideways. It is pushing you on upper side. It's not giving you direct moves. Don't plan from middle on, guys. Okay, it is risky. All right, plan from the middle one. Still, let's try to hold a little bit more. So this level is pending. Scalpers, now you need to get out. All right, scalpers, you need to get out. It doesn't mean that market is not moving in your directions. It means that it is going to take some time. All right, okay. Scalpers on think you should be careful. Even if it gives, let it go. Right, okay. Just get out for now. All right, okay. If it gives, it's okay. But if it comes down, market is going to approach these levels, or market is going to, if it fails this one, market is going to come down, go down and come up. Okay, so just try to be careful. I'm done with this levels of profits. All right, if you are in, you can book profit. If you are holding it, move your stop loss to the entry and hold it. Right, I'm out. All right, okay. For the gold as well, book some profit. If the scalpers want to get out, it's up to you all, because it is getting out from my retest zone. All right, okay, which becomes very risky for you all. Getting out from the retest zone is never good, right, guys? Okay, getting out from the retest zone is never good. All right, should be from here, earning an upper side, or if it fails this one, you're going approaching these levels and trying to push you an upper side, I guess. All right, still pushing you on upper side. Not able to throw you back. Now it becomes very risky, okay, guys. In fact, okay, it will become very risky if you are planning it right. So you are aggressively, this trade is very risky, okay. If you have made good profits, don't plan it, all right, for today. Okay, this trade is very risky trade. First aim, first aim, it's this one. Don't plan it, right, guys, if you have made profits already. Very risky. You are planning against the New York Sessions moves, right? Okay, very risky it will be. It's still moving on upper side. It's going to be very risky. Okay, guys, I think it's going up again one more time on upper side. Now I'm getting tired. All right, guys. I'm getting some fevers. Okay, that's all, guys. All right, don't plan. Okay, these shots. Excuse me. I'm getting sickness, guys. All right. Oh, shit. If it happens to move on upper side, again, going back to the trend, you'll get bashed off this one. All right, this shots, okay? So don't try to plan this one. All right, okay? So that's all for today, guys. Okay, so we try to take 3 scalpings for the BTC, right? We try to close our positions over here. I'm fine, right? Okay. If you are holding, it's up to you all, right? Okay. For the gold, also done 2 setups, very perfect, right? Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button, all right, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. All right, we try to take a big moves today, right? Okay, that was nice. All right, okay. So in fact, if the market happens to break above these levels, you'll be getting again a long positions and upper side. All right, if it happens to get a rejection from these levels, right? Okay, if it breaks up, you'll be getting another long positions till this levels again one more time. All right, guys. Okay, if it happens to come down, gets rejection from here, you will get a short positions from here, and you will try to go to this levels on a downside for the liquidations, right? Okay, you observe these levels very carefully. If it happens to pass through, you are getting back to $66,272 on upper side. From here, if it happens to give you the get a rejections from the top, all right, then that will be short again one more time towards the downside. All right, okay. From here, it will be short and it will come to this levels. All right, okay. So you need to plan carefully in this levels. All right, because it have tried to break out from the trends, right? Okay. So giving one more time breakouts confirmations towards the downside will be a shorts on the downside, getting a rejection from the top. If it wins up and tries to come down and gets a rejections from this support, right? Okay, then you'll get a good move one more time on the upper side. All right, okay. So this is what it's going to be. All right, but I think I'm getting sick, guys. I'm getting sick and I'm not able to plan yet. Tomorrow we'll try to come back and try to plan again with you all. All right, okay, guys. One more time. Okay, guys. So that's all for today. Good. All right, okay. So you can manage your risks, plan accordingly, right, guys? Okay. So decide. So don't, if you are making losses, don't try to again plan again and again, right? Okay, if you are making profits, don't try to plan again and again, right? Okay, so just close for the day because you have taken ample of trades, all right, today. All right, for the gold as well, you have taken amples of trades, right? For the BTC as well, you have taken ample of trades, right? Okay, so just manage your risks well, right? Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button, all right? Okay, and those who are those who are what those who want to catch me from Monday to Friday sessions, yeah, that's the thing, right? Just keep subscribing it, right? So that's all for today, right, guys? Okay, I'm tired as well, a little bit feeling sick, right? I'll see you, try to see you all tomorrow, right? Tomorrow we'll try to come on 11 UTC. You can catch me over there, all right? Okay, guys. Till then, take care. All right, have a good time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Always, Dragon is always trying to give you 101%. You try to give you 101% as well, right? So together we try to make some good journey together, right? Okay. So those who have not subscribed it, don't feel so stay easy on yourself. I'm trying to help you all out. All right. Don't mistake me. All right. Okay. So that's all for today. Have a good time. Take care. Love you all. All right. Signing off, Dragon, all the way from Bhutan. Bye bye.